Did you know that hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards? One incredible thing about hummingbirds is their ability to flap their wings up to 80 times per second, allowing them to hover in place with precision. Turns out, their unique wing structure enables this extraordinary flight behavior. Not only that, but they have an exceptional sense of sight, with the ability to see ultraviolet light, which helps them locate flowers rich in nectar. Some species can also migrate for hundreds of miles without stopping. Have you ever seen a hummingbird in action? What's your favorite animal fact? Share below.